We provide lathing and plastering services for a wide array of building types, whether it's public schools, apartment complexes, all the way to country clubs, doctor's offices. This project, Deerwood Apartments, roughly 117,000 square feet of lath and plaster that we've been tasked with completing. This is the last elevation that we're on right now, and the HyFlex equipment has been used on every square inch of this project. The 30G has been an essential part of the operation here. Go through what would translate to about 20 bags per hour. The scale of this project required a silo that took 3,000-pound bags, and on a full day of using the 30G, we could go through about 4 of those bags. And so it's been a real workhorse for us, and it's been a key component of why we've been successful here. The 30G gives us quite an advantage, especially on a project at the scale of this one. The amount of work that needed to be done on this project would be almost insurmountable to go by old-fashioned means. Being able to pump that high up onto the wall and do it consistently throughout the days and weeks, it's been a real game changer for us. In the last year, we had a project that really displayed the versatility of the 30G. Does more than just put mud up on the wall. We had a ballroom that required to be soundproofed, and so we were able to use a different stator, and we were able to spray soundproofing material up onto the rotunda in the ballroom, and couldn't have been done with a trowel, had to be sprayed on, and the 30G was integral to that. The 30G has been very easy to accomplish the tasks that we have in front of us. It being mobile, being able to take it from site to site without too much of an operation taking place, being able to move it around, these larger jobs with ease, and then being able to set up and get to work and work for a full day